Ontario is home to 8 native bat species, each with unique characteristics and ecological roles. Here is a brief overview of each species. Little brown bat. The little brown bat is the most common bat species in Ontario. They are a small, insect-eating bat that can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, wetlands, and urban areas. They are also known for their ability to hibernate for long periods of time. Big brown bat. The big brown bat is another insect-eating bat species found in Ontario. They are slightly larger than the little brown bat and can be found in similar habitats. Eastern red bat. The eastern red bat is a tree-dwelling bat species found in Ontario. They have red fur and are known for their ability to blend in with the leaves of trees. Hoary bat. The hoary bat is a migratory bat species found in Ontario during the summer months. They are one of the largest bat species in Canada and can be recognized by their frosted fur. Silver-haired bat. The silver-haired bat is a solitary bat species found in Ontario. They are insectivores and can be found in forested areas. Northern long-eared bat. The northern long-eared bat is a species at risk in Ontario. They are a forest-dwelling bat that is facing threats from habitat loss and the spread of white nose syndrome. Eastern small-footed bat. The eastern small-footed bat is another species at risk in Ontario. They are a small, insectivorous bat that can be found in rocky habitats. Tricolored bat. The tricolored bat is a species at risk in Ontario. They are a small, insect-eating bat that can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests and wetlands. All of these bat species play important roles in Ontario's ecosystem, from controlling insect populations to pollinating plants. Unfortunately, many of these species are facing threats from habitat loss, climate change, and disease, making conservation efforts critical for their survival.
They are pollinators, pest controllers, and seed dispersers. Without bats, our environment would be drastically different. Bats are the unsung heroes of our environment. They are responsible for pollinating many of our crops and wildflowers, which helps to sustain our food supply and the biodiversity of our planet. Threats to bat populations. Despite their importance, bat populations are declining at an alarming rate due to a number of threats. Habitat destruction, climate change, and disease
are among the biggest challenges facing these creatures today. The destruction of bat habitats is a major concern. Many species rely on specific roosting sites, and when those sites are destroyed, the bats have nowhere to go. Climate change is also having an impact, as it is altering the timing of important events, such as the emergence of insects that bats rely on for food. And then there's the issue of disease, such as white nose syndrome, which has decimated bat populations in North America.
Conservation efforts. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the future of bats. Conservation efforts are being made around the world to protect these fascinating creatures and their habitats. There are a number of things we can do to help protect bats. One of the most important is to preserve their habitats. We can also install bat boxes, which provide alternative roosting sites for bats. Additionally, we can work to reduce the use of pesticides, which can harm bats and their food sources.
Success stories. There have been many success stories in bat conservation, demonstrating that with the right efforts, it is possible to protect these creatures and restore their populations. One of our most successful projects has been the installation of bat boxes in urban areas. We have seen a significant increase in the number of bats using these boxes, which is a promising sign. Additionally, efforts to control white nose syndrome have been successful in some areas, and we are continuing
to work on developing treatments to combat this devastating disease. Call to action. Bats are an essential part of our ecosystem, and their conservation is vital for the health of our planet. We can all play a role in protecting these fascinating creatures and their habitats. There are many ways individuals can help. You can install a bat box in your backyard, reduce your use of pesticides, and support conservation organizations that are working to protect bats. By working together, we can
ensure a brighter future for these amazing creatures. Bats may be small, but they have a big impact on our planet. By working to protect these fascinating creatures, we can help ensure a healthy and sustainable environment for generations to come.
Our team hopes you enjoyed this informative video on bats.